Namaskar, this is Subham Tiwari. In today's video, me and my team member will share social awareness message on COVID-19. Now, what is COVID-19? It's a infectious disease caused by most recently discovered coronavirus. Now, what is coronavirus? It's a large family of virus which affect humans. See, it's a type of virus which spread very fast from one human being to another. Like just 2 to 4 people, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 32. It spread very fast. There are certain symptoms of COVID-19. What are the symptoms? Like chest pain, fever, tiredness, difficulty in breathing, dry cough. These all are the symptoms of COVID-19. We can prevent it. Now, let's talk about how we can prevent COVID-19. We can prevent it by washing our hand regularly with soap and water and by using alcohol based sanitizer. Use your mask every time when you go out. Maintain social distancing from the people who are affected with this virus. Stay away from the people who is coughing and sneezing. When you are coughing and sneezing, cover your face with tissue or your bend elbows. When you are feeling unwell like chest pain, difficulty in breathing, fever, tension, headache, call for medical attention. Follow these rules. Stay safe. Stay at home. Thank you.
Thank you, Shubham, for giving me a chance to say about this topic. So, being a final year student, I can say that we are lucky to a certain extent as we were about to complete our graduation. Think about those students, school students, right? For this lockdown, all educational institutions have been shut down, right? So, schooling is the preliminary stage of every student's career. At school, we all learn our basics. But if this gets stopped for an indefinite period of time, how the students will cope up? Secondly, I can say, as we all see, right now we are all getting e classes or what you can say online classes. A teacher are guiding us through that. So, this is a very good initiative, I must say, but only for those students who will have a privilege of internet connection and, of course, a strong network. Thirdly, right now all the examinations have been rescheduled or postponed. This in turn is affecting the private universities and also the students who were about to take a new admission. So, by this, we can say that this lockdown has generated an uncertainty over the exam cycle. Lastly, the major concern is employment. Yes, employment is one of the major concerns of this pandemic. Students like us who are about to graduate or the students who have already completed their graduation have a fear in their mind that their job offers will be cancelled irrespective of whichever sector you're getting job offers. So by saying all these things, I just want to conclude to each and everyone, please stay at home, don't go out unnecessarily, because if you go out unnecessarily, this pandemic will not be stopped. We are all suffering a major issue, so we need to be together. So just follow the basic instructions and stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.
After this corona pandemic, every business sector is affected in different ways. Travel restrictions are imposed by Indian government as well as government across the world. India used to generate a large number of annual income from tourism business, and a huge number of people used to work in hotel industry. Being a hotelier myself, I can understand their feelings who are thinking that they might not have any job because no one knows when everything is going to be fine. Even if everything becomes normal, the tourism industry might not get that charm back so soon. This is the high time for everyone to keep ourselves motivated. Life is all about ups and downs, so keep yourself motivated and take care of others.
Myself, Shoel Khandekar. I am the final year student of GNHM. Apart from spreading the coronavirus disease, COVID-19 has already changed the course of Indian politics. COVID-19 is leading the biggest poll of Indian politics. the central government and the state government in the same direction. So don't spread rumors, follow the local administration, stay home and be safe. Thank you.
These are the uncertain times that will test our weakness and our strength, but we must not give up. We urge you to please stay at home, wear a mask and necessary precaution if leaving house. Practice social distancing and encourage others to do the same. This shall too pass. Till then, stay safe, stay home, and stay hopeful.